the Star Industries 1360B jib boom. This is one of the more popular and versatile attachments that Star Industry provides for telehandlers. If you're a contractor on a job site, there is always a reason to have one of our 1360B jib booms. Whether you're lifting HVAC units, brick, other products up and over a wall or a building, this jib boom gives you the versatility to lift the product and then extend the reach of it, and it's a versatile product for all contractors. Some of the features, advantages, and benefits of the Star Industries 1360B jib boom start with how we do our pin-on for the forks back here in the back. The ability to have heavy-duty 1-inch pins both behind the heel of the fork where it's pinned for safety, as well as having a unique feature with the front one that gives a bump stop for a standard fork so it hits the pin versus hitting the fork universal tube. Also, if you have a thicker fork on some of the heavier forks lifts, this gives you the ability to reassociate the position of that pin in the upper position. In addition, we always put on all of our universal forklift attachments a safety chain that wraps around a secure portion of the carriage with a heavy-duty twist lock grab hook. Once this grab hook is in place and locked, it will not come loose. This is a backup feature for safety. So with the pin-on forks and the safety chain, this gives you comfort to know that this forklift attachment is not going to come off the forks. Now, we always recommend that the forks are either in a level position or slightly tilted up. You never want to tilt the forks down when you have this jib boom in use. As we move across the attachment, we will always have a canister on the attachment for the safety manual. We always recommend that you review the safety instructions before that you use it. You will notice, as mentioned, that this is a universal attachment. So no matter the size of the forks that you use, you'll be able to pin directly on to the attachment from your forklift, so it becomes universal. One of the unique features about the jib boom is the ability for it to be telescopic. And it can stretch from a 6,000-pound lift position in position 1, plus 3 additional positions by this telescopic heavy-duty structural steel boom system. As I demonstrate this, there's a spring pin that comes out here and then allows you to pull to whatever position that you need in the attachment, stretching from, again, the original position 1 for lifting 6,000 pounds all the way out to 12 feet and being able to pick up 2,000 pounds. And for the contractor, when you're renting a telehandler, you need to be thinking about the 1360B jib boom. Almost every situation you'll find yourself in, you're going to need to lift something, and we want you to do it in a safe manner. The jib boom is the way to do that. First of all, the carriage is able to stay in place, the forks are on, slip this over directly over the forks, and be able to pick up whatever load that you have, from 2,000 pounds up to 6,000 pounds with the jib boom. This will create a much more versatile piece of equipment on your job site and make you more efficient with your time and with your personnel. The 1360B jib boom by Star Industries is built to last. It's withstood the test of time. For over 25 years, Star Industries has manufactured and innovated this particular product, and it's backed by our 5-year warranty.